There we go. Submissive display. Unreal.
Bueno. ¡Mierda, yo, caimán! ¡Ay, mi madre! ¡Un caimán!
Tiene el toro. Tiene el toro único, pariente. Tiene el toro uno. Fíjale en esto.
Time for the rock test. Yep, he's right there. Works every time. Not today, Mr. Crocodile. You sure are handsome.
Ufa. Mira.
I found this little kitty cat in the road. Good thing I got him across in time. Check this out. This is a panther chameleon. A very gentle yoink. He's gonna be my new pet. Isn't he gorgeous?
I mean, it's just a leg, right?
Yeah.
Alright, this right here is a camel spider.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you some of my most bizarre yoinks. One of my favorites is this pop.
کوچکترین لایک شما بزرگترین حمایت از ما زمین‌دار خواست. برای ثبت سفارش
Chaos. This is the most bats I've ever seen in my life, and they're so cute if you look at their little faces up close. Giant Asian forest scorpion. And check what happens when you put on the black light. Their exoskeleton absorbs ultraviolet light and then re-emits it as this. This poor flying fox flew right into my face. He's probably my fault. He basically yanked himself. He's probably the cutest little thing I've ever seen now.